JCS.
What's it called? Chinese noodle?
You need more light. It's dark.
It's dark, isn't it?
Very dark.
I don't have light. That's what we come for. This is what they specialize in. The crayfish. Yeah, crayfish right there. While we wait, we hydrate. This is the savannah. It's what I've ordered. It's savannah dry. I'm about to try this crayfish. I hear it's the best crayfish in town, in Zambia. Over there it's a market. Over here it's a restaurant. Lovely. We're gonna try the pig intestines first. I just want to see if it tastes like Chinese in England. They're good. The soy sauce is there. You can tell there's a lot of MSG, of course.
We can use it for rice and for this.
The noodles are nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, the noodles are very nice.
I'm gonna go for the fried rice. Much more darker than the one in England. Oh, look at the crayfish. Love the coriander. I'm not even gonna bother. Oh, it's very hot. Very hot. Ooh, very hot. Quite big as well. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. All in all, I'll give this place a solid, give it 8 out of 10 because the price is good. The price is right, the presentation is not bad at all.